you've got the hydraulic.
The reason for KLIX's success is the simplicity of the solution, the ease of use and the reliability that people can get a drink whenever they like 24 hours a day. When we go into a client, we're very consultative, so we look at both head offices and branch level organisations and understand what the business wants to achieve. We make sure that from the head office all the way to branch level, everybody's catered for. So it was great to be able to come over to Travis Perkins in Basingstoke and see our machine in action that was manufactured just over the road. The large-scale multi-brand rollout across Travis Perkins delivered almost 2.5 million drinks in 2025, with over 430 machines deployed in under 6 months.
The speed of service with the KLIX machine is amazing. It's 17 seconds. The customers, when they come in, they are normally busy. These guys are mainly self-employed, so time is money. Yeah, that'll sit there and it will get rid of the stain film and it'll look like brand new. It gives us a chance for them to have a coffee, to have a chat with us, to talk about the business. So it's made a huge difference. The feedback I get from the customers is they love the variety of the drinks. We have all the different stuff in there, so we've got something for everyone, and it's free, so they're all really happy.
My favourite is a Bovril, because in the winter it warms you right up, but in the summer I'm glad that we've got a summer fruit and an orange and peach just to have as well, and I might grab an extra one on the way round because they're so good.
From a staff point of view, before we just had teas and coffees in the kitchen, but now they've got the cappuccinos, hot chocolates. So yeah, it's positive all round.
We offer a joint business plan and a continuous improvement programme, so once you've chosen Lavazza Professional, not only do you get a clean rollout, you also get account management after to make sure you're getting the most out of Lavazza Professional as the contract rolls on.
We've never had any problems. It's so simple to fill up the machine and clean it, so it's brilliant.